Hey! You're supposed to be playing!
I know I'm playing, but I thought I'd videotape. What game are you playing, Marcus?
Go Bug, Cactus, see?
Is your name Marcus? Marcus, what game are we playing?
His name's Marcus.
Marcus?
Go Bug!
Go Bug? Is it a fun game?
Grasshopper.
Yeah?
Go Bug, sit. The grasshopper. Now then go fish. You have to put the bug together. Let's see, where does this go? What is, I need help. Where does this go?
I don't know.
It goes here. I think, what is it going to, I don't know.
Say bye-bye, Marcus.
Bye. See you next. Bye. 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 See you next time.